Yo guys, welcome to another WLF Customs video. We are going to be doing an oil and filter replacement on this 1.4 TSI Seat Leon. Watch as we have fun and create some entertainment, whilst we also show you guys how to do an oil change from the comfort of your own home. The tools you will need are linked in the description below. So please subscribe, like the video if you enjoy it, and let's get straight to the video. I jack up the vehicle, place some axle stands underneath it and make sure it's safe for me to go underneath the vehicle. Open the oil cap and pull out the dipstick. Remove the bolts that are holding the under tray. There is T25 bolts on the side of the under tray and T45s on the back of the under tray. To remove the oil filter, I use a special tool that's specifically used for male oil filters. I'll link this down below in the description. You can also use pure grip string to loosen it. If that doesn't work, I highly suggest you get hold of one of these.
What the fuck do you say? Say what? What the fuck do you say? Oh, no, move it out of the way, move it out of the way. No, hurry up, move. Shh, it's hot oil. Hot eye.
Before applying the new filter, be sure to apply a thin coat of oil around the seal. This is to allow the seal to seal evenly against the surface and to prevent any oil from seeping out. When screwing in the metal oil filter, tightening it up by hand is enough. Crack loose the 90mm sun plug. Be sure to have a bucket or drain pan underneath in case the oil drips, and do not drop the sun plug in the bucket like me. Once the oil is drained out, apply the sun plug back in and snug it up.
Ah, great. Huh? No, I dropped the sun plug in the bucket. God's sakes!
Pour in the recommended oil and use Castrol check to see the amount that he's putting in. I poured in less than the recommended just in case it's slightly over, due to the fact the car is lifted up and it's not on an even surface. Also, the reason why I have not dropped it down is because I want to check for any leak before I reapply the under tray and drop it down on the floor.
At least it's topped up.
I checked for leaks with the engine running, it was all good. I reapplied the under tray, dropped the car down and topped the oil up as recommended.
Much more than what it is, isn't it? Because it just has a mileage a bit higher. Well, I should have done that shit at the start, man. Rock it back and up it back, but I've been doing good. I did lose a bit slow. Monkey fed.
Need to get a unit on.
Slow down, slow down. I bought it about 109. But on the second row.
I never knew why people buy quantum.
Hmm?
I never knew why people buy quantum oil.
Spot.
Fucking the packet.
Oil, man, it's proper.
Packaging is shit.
Yeah, but it's not proper oil though.
It's not even proper oil.
You can use this to like fry your chips.
That's a video that.
That is a video. I'm going to leave that video. I'm going to leave that video as well. I am genuinely leave that video.
Also, you can use this oil to fry your chips, bro. And also chips you can fry.
They're all in it.
Make engine oil.